Not all hackers are alike. Some use smash-and-grab tactics to access your admin credentials and steal data. Or they encrypt it and demand a ransom. Others infiltrate your system undetected, quietly stealing intellectual property or trade secrets without being exposed, sometimes for months or years. Immutable snapshots that lock down your backed up data in an unchangeable state are one solution. But what if your storage or backup credentials are compromised? And what about the second type of hacker, who silently watches your secrets with malicious code? To keep your data safe and available, you need a system that secures data from attacks and keeps it accessible, so you can recover quickly afterward. Pure Storage can help you stay one step ahead of these attacks. First, Pure Snapshots provide frequent, instant checkpoints of your data that attackers can't change, even as they start encrypting. Next, Safe Mode on Pure Flash Array and FlashBlade adds an extra layer of security to immutable snapshots. No one, not even a rogue admin, can delete data faster than the time you set. Admins not only need login access, but also credentials validated by Pure Support. And Pure is fast. So fast that your forensics team can find anomalies and malicious code quickly. So fast you can recover data instantly, or by petabytes a day at scale. No more waiting days or weeks to recover data. No more lost customers or revenue due to downtime. Don't let cyber criminals get the best of your ideas and data. Learn how to secure your data and keep your business running smoothly with Pure Storage.